Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today teach you layer setup. This is a new special function, set layer, consistent with the tiering function of AutoCAD. Extremely convenient and efficient. Left-click opens the option menu. Choose a layer setup. Here, we can create multiple new layers and define the name by yourself. Like this, different material type and different color. Then save as default. Click OK to finish. This tool, Set Layer tool, mainly for the design lines. Attribute of each layer can be individually set. Color and show or hide. On the upper right corner, we can change the color and the display or hide. Select this tool. Left-click closing select this design lines. Then right-click. Select the surf. A second, right-click. Select the lining. A second, right-click. Select the interlining. Like this. Here, we can choose to display which layers on the work area. Hide, display. Now we only display the first surf design lines. Then hide, display. Next, the lining. OK, finish. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.